अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपकदा मह्यं ददाति शुभदान्तिकम्। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरोन् वैष्णवंश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगणा रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवम् श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितंश्च हे कृष्णकरुणा सिन्धो दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कान्त राधाकान्त नमोऽस्तुते। सप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी श्रीराधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यो च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदी गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। मुखं करोति वाचालं भङ्गं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुं परमानन्दमाधव श्रीचैतन्येश्वरम्। हरे कृष्णा। Can everyone hear?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhu.
I hope you are doing well. And so from today onwards, so once the third verse, I'm just finishing it, a little touch. Then fourth verse, I request everyone to attend without miss. It's amazing because it will address the anarthas. Third verse, fourth verse onwards. But we are still in the third verse, excuse me. So third verse is what is that? So we are asking, if you want to attain that Vraja Prema, what is that? Swarupam Sri Rupam Saganam. Yeah, Tasyagrajam Api. Develop the attachment to Swarupam. Sarudadhar Goswami, Sri Rupam, Rupa Goswami, and Tasyagrajam, Agraja, his brother, elder brother, Sanatana Goswami. And who is telling this? Raghunath Das Goswami. So develop affection, to develop attachment to these personalities and live in Vrindavan. I'm repeating actually, just so that it will sink into our consciousness. Live in Vrindavan and perform service to Radha and Krishna. Yeah. Every birth, if you desire, clearly remember to offer obeisances. We don't want to take birth, right? The answer is, but if you have to take birth, you aspire to take birth only in Vrindavan, Vraj, and perform service to Radha and Krishna in close proximity, and offer obeisances, respects to Swarup Damodar Goswami, Rupa Goswami, and Sanatana Goswami, and of course the other Raghunath Das Goswami. So I was talking past 2 weeks about the Raganu Bhakti. What is that? I was talking about the Raganu Bhakti. But in a Vaidhi Sadhana Bhakti, when we start reading the books, we fall asleep, we don't have taste. But in, you all know, right? Everything starts with Shravanam Kirtanam, right? Everything. Today, actually, Kadamgan Rose very nicely explaining Shravanam Kirtanam, they're the beginning of everything, you know. That's why Krishna says, Yada Jnasyasit Pasrunu. Listen about me. So when we are develop taste for this, you know, books, Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam. So Vaidhi Sadhaka, you know, when he as soon as he starts reading, you know, the sleep, dozing, you know, then there are 20 verses glorifying Krishna. Then we develop a desire. Hey, what 21st verse? What is the story? You know, wow, so much glorification of Krishna. You know, so many verses. Why there is not a running story? So that is like, you know, a symptom of Rajogun. But in once you become a Raghanuga Vakta, as even if you are sleeping, once you touch Srimad Bhagavatam, Arivol, you know, I mean, it's a state of consciousness. We should not artificially try, you know. We already elaborately discussed Raganuga, you know, Ragatmika Bhakti and Raganuga, you know, Raganuga Bhakti we discussed, right? Ragatmika means bhakti practice by Vraj devotees, Vrindavan devotees. And if you follow their foot, if you want to attain that, we have to follow the footsteps of those people. So those Vrajavasis means in a liberated state, you know, so, what is that? Swarupa, we have 4 different types of relationship with Krishna we discussed already. You know, I said last week, right? We'll show the pictures. If you are in the Dasiras, we'll serve Krishna. We have to follow the footsteps of Raktak, Chitrak, Patrak because they're servants of Krishna. They always help Krishna because Krishna is a, you know, Supreme Personality of Godhead that is eternally. Even Vrindavan Lila, Krishna is the king of Nanda Maharaj, as the son of Krishna is a prince and the son of Nanda Maharaj, you know. So if you serve Krishna, if you want to serve Krishna in the Dasharas, you have to follow the footsteps of Rakta Chitra Patrak. And if you want to serve Krishna in the mode of Sakyaras, we have to follow the footsteps of Saidama, Sudama, Madhamangal, Krishna, all the Krishna's friends. And if you want to serve Krishna in the mood of Vatsalyaras, and we have to follow Yashoda and Nanda Maharaj, and the left side is Rohini, Balram's mother, you know. And if you want to serve Krishna in the mood of Madhurya, conjugal, then we have to follow the footsteps of obviously Radharani. You know, this is a picture Radharani instructed Chandravali. So, Chandravali to put colors on Madhumangal. And she put no colors on Madhumangal. The Mangal was stunned. So we need to follow the footsteps of Srimati Radharani, you know, or some younger gopis. So usually the gopis, Radharani is the prime, she is a counterpart of Krishna. Actually, it is said Krishna is Radharani in masculine form, Radharani is Krishna in feminine form. There is no difference. You know, so Radharani, she has very prime, the Ashtasakis, you know, and under them, so then actually 108, but 8 are prominent, and under them, you know, then usually under all the Sakis she had, under them she has a Manjaris, you know, for us, you know, with the prime, with the Manjari, Rupa Goswami, you know, and Sanatana Goswami, Lavanga Manjari. So Rupa Goswami, we are Rupanugas, right? So we need to follow the footsteps of Rupa Goswami. And under Manjaris, Upamanjaris. So under Upamanjaris, you know, further like that, you know. So what is that? So to realize the form, we need to practice. I mean, Lord Chaitanya, we already discussed. He came to Lord Chaitanya. All the 4 sampradayas, they give only sadhana bhakti. But Lord Chaitanya Lord Chaitanya gave Raganuga. Raganaga sadhana bhakti. He gave prema straight, prema bhakti he bestowed. But is it easy? You know, even after this many years, there is still so many anarthas lingering in our mind. How do we go there? But at least we should understand that is the stage. That is the stage. You know, to that level, Krishna, you know, Gaudiya Vaishnavism takes us. Lord Chaitanya, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's guide to Gaudiya Vaishnavism. That is the stage it takes us. Means, what is that? Prema Bhakti will attain, but through Ragana Sadhana. But Ragana Sadhana is difficult, right? So we should follow. We should serve Lord Chaitanya through Vaidhi Bhakti. Means sincerely, if he is feeling tired, very difficult to get up, but get up, chant, you know, attend Mangala Aarti, don't want to chant, but chant your nouns, you know, no meditating, no illicit sex, no intoxication, no gambling, strictly following, you know. Actually, one lecture, Radhana Swami said, so, so Daya, mercy, so we say no meditating. But we are very, we give difficult times to devotees. Actually, I'm talking to myself, you know. We give tough time to devotees. We are very cruel. We say, tapas saucham daya satyam, tapasya austerity. You know, we don't even drink coffee and tea. We don't even take alcoholism or any, you know, what is that, intoxicating substances. But we are intoxicated sometimes by position, by the power. Hare Krishna. There is a story actually. What is that story? Nanda Maharaj went to take bath, and you know, and to take bath, and the attendant of Varuna, that you know, that pond belongs to Varuna. No, I don't. Sorry, it is, you know. Yeah, so then, I don't remember whether it belongs to Varuna or not. Varunadev. Nanda Maharaj went to take bath, and the attendant of Varuna thought he's taking bath in a wrong time and immediately arrested him. And of course, eventually Krishna goes and releases him. I mean, secures the release of Nanda Maharaj. As soon as Varunadev saw Nanda Maharaj, Krishna and Balaram, he got up from his seat with great reverence. You know, he received Krishna and escorted Nanda Maharaj and Krishna to the end of the palace, and he chastised his servant. And there, what is the problem? If you read this last time, we will recover from intoxication. And what is intoxication? Position, power. Excuse me. Position and power. You know, it's everywhere, in family, temple, you know, anywhere. If you are not careful, if you utilize position only to serve devotees, actually, I'm talking to myself. I'm the, you know, the four fingers are pointing to me, but it's important. As I'm telling, I'm reminding myself. So, what is it? Intoxication should come out, not just proud that you know, you have come out of you know, we don't even drink tea. That's why the first verse of Manasiksha is Sada Dambam Hitva, give up the pride. Honestly speaking, as we go forward, so many things you have to give up because they're actually binding us, they're holding us in attaining Krishna. And if we give them up, this is Raghunath Das Goswami, the Prayojanacharya, telling, believe me, we'll attain Krishna. We'll attain that Prema Bhakti. Honestly speaking, you know, I don't have qualification. Probably I have a hope one of you, you know, many of you who are very sincere, exceptional, much better than me. You know, when you apply this, you know, you'll attain the perfection. You're already there. You know, you already started, but very soon. No sincerity, right? Should I continue?
Arbal Prabhu, yes.
Yes, Prabhu. Yes,
Yes,
Prabhu.
Prabhuji.
So the point is, um, the point is, what is second one? Intoxication, illicit sex. Usually we say no external, no extramarital affairs. But Prabhupada writes very clearly. Actually, in here you read it. So this is most sinful Prabhupada says. Then illicit sex, intoxication, meat eating, daya. Daya. Uh, as I said, we may give up even meat, fish, and eggs. But if we are very cruel to devotees, what is the use? Truthfulness. Truthfulness means always gambling. That is the easiest thing actually. Because I don't think many Indians ever gambled, before coming to even Krishna consciousness. And for many Indians, this is normal. Radhanath Swami says that's the beginning. But if you really know what is Satyam, as much as truth really, which is very difficult to follow actually. Either one devotee, I'm honestly speaking, I really held him very high. I mean, I hold him very high. Wonderful devotee wants to come to America. I said, nobody, if this regime, nobody will, nobody will give you a job, even if you're from, top-notch institute from India. Change it. He said, I'll not change it. It was, it was actually, I was stunned first time in my life. So, he said, even if Krishna, if I don't get job, I'm fine. I'm happy staying in India. I'll not come. I'll not change it. So, wow. Amazing, right? So, Satyam, truthfulness, the last leg of religion. But actually, no, but be very careful. I can tell a story actually. 1970s. One American, Prabhupada told these 4 things. You should speak truth. So, what happened? He and his wife, they were asked to preach in Russia. Russia already identified Hare Krishna as the biggest threat of their life. Biggest threat to Russia, Russian life, Russian country. So his wife showed the passport. Americans going to Russia in what is that, in Cold War time, they don't like Americans. And on the top of it, they hated Hare Krishna because it will destabilize America. So they saw the wife, his wife was in the front line, the line. She presented her passport. They didn't doubt her, they stamped. Then the next Prabhu went. They just got doubt. So casually asked, are you Hare Krishna? So in Hare Krishna he learned, if you tell her the truth, he said, yes, that's it. Immediately they arrested him. Coming to country to destabilize, espionage. They sent him to Siberia. The wife could never see him. So many devotees in Siberia died. Siberia means no snow desert. You have to work. But government changed and 85 Gorbachev came. The first time American president went to Russia and they had a summit meeting. And this Mataji, what she did, she went to Nancy Reagan and told, please, they arrested my husband, they took my husband and they put him in confinement. I don't know what's the status. So Nancy Reagan, real story. Nancy Reagan told Lisa Gorbachev, the wife, can you please find out where he is? Luckily he was alive. He didn't die. And Nancy Reagan requested, please let him go. They are simple people. They are not American spies. He's the only one who was released. Anyway, so it's, I mean, what is that? There are devotees even actually amazing, you know. But of course, use your discretion, you know. Krishna's service is definitely important. So my point is, Manasiksha invariably, but actually I want to one point, yeah. Because I'm telling out Raganu Bhakti, never, never, ever practice. This is not an intellectual thing. And Bhakti Chara Swami says, if you serve Lord Chaitanya in a Dasyaras, like in other Vaidhi Bhakti, sincerely, trying sincerely, then Lord Chaitanya will give entrance. So devotees like Haridas Thakur, who are like Nitya Siddha devotees, they never revealed anything. On the last day also they chanted their rounds, and their the dress Haridas Thakur wore was only humility. So just because it's very wonderful to listen these higher things, no. I mean, at least I'm a conditioned soul. I still have so many impurities in my heart. I definitely continue to practice Vaidhi Bhakti only. But why are we discussing this? Because these are the higher things. We need to go there. At least we'll be careful. We'll be carefully practicing. We'll be carefully practicing our Vaidhi Bhakti sincerely. That's the only thing I am telling actually. So anyway, first thing is actually what is that? um, what is that? The Manasiksha instructions are, you'll see, eventually directed to next week onwards. I mean, maybe today itself will introduce. They are directed towards eventually. What is that? Conjugal love. So because he's actually, what is that? Raghunath Das Goswami is actually, who is there? He is Ishtadev, Radharani. It'll, in other words, bhaktas, bhaktas in the mood of Mathayaras, conjugal love. But however, supposing, you can use the instructions, next verse 4 to 5, next 5 instructions, it addresses the subtle anarthas. Not that I'm going to tell any past tense, definitely not. It speaks of the impurities, subtle impurities. When I read them, it's like somebody taking the slipper and slapping me. Wow, amazing. Because we all try to have two lives, try to maintain two lives. When we come to devotee circle, we speak like a devotee. When we are home or when we are in office and whatever, we try to be one with them. We try to be like them. I mean, there is nothing wrong in that, as long as you're careful. But usually we cross the lines. We cross the lines, and then it becomes our second nature. And we justify ourselves by saying, already they think I'm crazy, Hare Krishna, and I don't go to parties and all these things. They are actually avoiding me. If I do more, then I lose the job also. So yes, beauty lies in the balance, no doubt. I'm not denying that. But I can tell one thing. What is taking association? Not rubbing the shoulders. Supposing you ask one devotee, come, let us go to airport and pick up this devotee. I also get your association. Association doesn't mean sitting so close and rubbing the shoulders. Association means being inspired by that person. Many times I said, when sannyasi comes, Mataji cooks. She doesn't even come out. And Prabhuji serves. Who has taken, finally the sannyasi is about to leave. He would turn back and look into the kitchen side and say, Mataji, I'm Hare Krishna. Mataji comes out. Ananda Das, Prabhu. Can you please mute, Prabhu? So, Mataji, what is that? The Mataji offers obeisances, and this Prabhu leaves. And whose association she has taken? Did she take his association? Yes. Why? She served him. And she served him, and whatever he was telling her husband, she was listening. And she wants to apply. To the extent we want to apply, that means extent we are taking this association. Anyway, the point is we should not. So that day when we, what happens? Why these 5 rasas? As we go forward, you're attracted to one of the 4. Dasya, Sakya, Vasalya, Madhurya. For sure, one of the 4 you will be attracted to. The story is the personality, or for example, Radharani. If you are in the conjugal, that rasa, in ras, or Yashoda, or Nanda Maharaj, or Rohini, or what is that? If it is, if you're in Sakya, it's like, Dinabandha Prabhu. He just speaks of only, Krishna's, what do you call it? He likes, he tells all the stories, but he likes this pastimes of, of that friendly relationship of Krishna. What is that? Sakyaras. He's very happy explaining. Even this Bhakti Vishwanath Madhav Maharaj, explains the stories of Krishna's, stories of Krishna and his friends, So, but one thing one should not intellectually select, oh, this is very good, so I want to become that. Definitely not. I want to add one thing here. Recently, last year, this year only, sorry, I went to Mayapur and I asked one question. Because, I'm an Indian, so I have this, I know you all will say, understand the word. So we want to be the best, right? So for example, what is that? You all agree, right? Whichever this course is the best. You aim for that course. Or when you come to bhakti, what is the best? Okay, this guru is the best. So you'll have, what is best means you'll have your own, what do you call it? You will have your own opinions about what is best. This guru has more disciples, then I should be that guru. Or this guru has very prominent, okay. These are actually materialistic, trust me. Same thing, when it comes to Swarupa, Radharani, and Radha and Krishna. Okay, I should have a form, as what is that? And the associate, maybe one of the gopis. That is material, totally material. It's a misconception, actually. So anyway, I asked this question, Maharaj. I just want to admit to you, there are many things I don't know. I told this to devotees here also. Maharaj, Madhavendra Puri, I asked this question to, what is his name? Our Bhakti Vidyapurna Maharaj. Madhavendra Puri is the seed of love of Godhead in the material world, Maharaj, right? And he's actually grand. Of course, he had the honor of, Ishwarapuri as his own disciple, who had Lord Chaitanya, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, as his disciple. So Grand Guru, and Lord Chaitanya held Madhavendra Puri in a high platform, Maharaj. Then Madhavendra Puri is only, Kalparuksha in the Santaras. Maharaj, I can't understand this. Maharaj looked at me and he slapped me, like, he said, why you have so much false ego? He asked me. Wow. What is your problem if Madhavendra Puri is a Kalparuksha? Because they have this mentality. Madhavendra Puri means, okay, maybe one of the gopis. But when I came to know, he's a Santaras and he's a Kalparuksha, oh, that's metal conception. Prahlad Maharaj, entire Bhagavatam, 2 personalities. Lord Chaitanya and Gadadhar. Lord Chaitanya was very inspired. 100 times they read the story of Prahlad and Dhruva. And when they read the stories of Prahlad and Dhruva, the tears that came from the tears that poured out erased Bhagavatam actually. Prahlad and Santaras. So I want to tell all of you, there is something that we don't know. At least I don't know. So Maharaj actually really ripped me off. What is your problem? Why you have that false prestige? Why you have the false ego? That's how he started. And he said, and what is that verse? Devyad Kalpa, what is that? Kalpa, Shrimad Radha Srila Govinda Deva Prishtal Bisevimano Sarami. Divyad Vrindaranya Kalpa Drumada, Srimad Ratnagar Simhasanastha, Shrimad Radha Srila Govinda Deva Prishtal Bisevimano. Right? Yes, Maharaj. That Kalpa Ruksha, under which the throne on which Radha and Krishna, under which there was a throne, and on the throne Radha and Krishna sitting. Who is that Kalparuksha? He is actually watching Radha and Krishna. Radha and Krishna are they are actually under the shade of that Kalparuksha, and that is Madhavendra Puri. That's why whatever Radharani says, he hears. But anyway, Maharaj actually shattered my. He saw there is this ego, false ego, false prestige. I'm addressing this so that it is helpful to all of you. How many of you agree? Is this helpful? Can you
Very
see?
helpful.
Huh? How many of you think it's helpful?
Very helpful.
Very helpful, Prabhuji. Thank you for sharing.
Because that is our nature. So, sir, for example, we came to ISKCON. Prabhu, please accept my humble obeisances. Then another person, please accept my very humble obeisances, because I want to be better than you. That's ego. I'm sorry, I'm changing the topic a little bit, but still it is connected. As long as we have this, even Vaidhi Bhakti also, we don't go so far. That's why these verses are very, very important, actually. Honestly speaking, we don't discuss this, so much on day-to-day basis. It's important. And another person says, please accept my very, very humble obeisances. Another person says, please accept my humble obeisances to the dust of your feet. Another person, dust of your lotus feet. Do you really know what it means? One day, I had this bad habit of touching the feet. I have an average condition. So one day, one devotee became angry. You know what he said? Please come and touch my feet. I was scared actually. But no, I said, please come and touch my feet. But only one condition. Do you want to be my servant for the rest of the life? I said, yes, Maharaj, I'll be your servant. No, so this is not Maharaj actually. This is a devotee. I never ventured for sannyasis. This is my first 1-2 years actually. Then he said, no, I'm serious. You can touch my feet. Will you become my servant for the rest of the life? Please, will you do everything whatever I say? He became grave. The environment became very tensed up. I said, no. Then please don't touch my feet. Or don't say, please accept my humble obeisances to the dust of your lords. They are very high words. And it's possible, Raghunath Das Goswami, the Prayojanacharya who wrote this book, he says, he would not, so not he says, he would offer obeisances to 3,000 Vaishnavas every day. He would offer obeisance to 3,000 Vaishnavas every day. Ladies and gentlemen, Prabhujis and Matajis, honestly speaking, if you can exemplify this character and this behavior given in the books, I'm honest, I cannot. So many times I think I'm hypocritical actually. I've seen many people whom I preach to, they're much better than yesterday I was telling. I told 100 times, they are more advanced than me. It's very humbling, but it's very sweet sometimes. Because it isn't behavior. You may not quote verses. One day I quoted one verse. Immediately other person quoted another verse. What is that? Externally, you're talking to establish the Siddhanta, but internally, what is that? Hey, look, I can also quote verses. I'm better than you. Then I realized why Varsana Maharaj doesn't even quote verse, and why everyone, not so actually, many sannyasis they don't quote verses actually. Why they are regarded so high? Behavior, behavior, behavior. You know. So the point I'm making is, the point I'm making is, so we may even pick up actually a person who picks up philosophy with improper behavior, he'll be very, very, this will definitely, it'll bring pride in him or her. I've seen that. You want to know the example? Myself. The time is running out, I'm becoming old. Then Raghunath Das Goswami first verse says, Sar Sada Dambam Hitva, give up the pride. Some people, one lecture I heard, some people, they are proud that they don't have pride. Hare Krishna. Rupa and Sanatana Goswami, when they liquidated their assets, they got 40,000 gold coins. And they would live under one tree. Not even one. They did not make even their residence under one tree because you'll clean it up nicely. This is Vrindavan, 500 years ago. Vrindavan, it still becomes cold. Can you imagine Krishna had to come and tell Southern Sanatana Goswami, can you please, what you're doing is not good. We all want you to have a home, please, a residence. Krishna had to come and tell Sanatana Goswami means imagine what is how, to what extent Krishna, Sanatana Goswami pleased. And what is that? Sanatana Goswami was telling Raghunath Das Goswami, he was requesting Raghunath Das Goswami have a heart. Prabhupada says practically Raghunath Das Goswami is today billionaire. His father income is they would collect 2 million gold coins, would deposit 1.2 million gold coins to the king, and they would keep 800,000. They had another 400,000. They would get 1.2 million gold coins a year. Wow! Only one son to the brother and to both brothers, Hiranya and Govardhan. And what is Raghunath Das Goswami? Why he wrote this book? World has not changed by the billionaires. World was changed by saints. Behavior. Anyway, I'm sorry. So we have this misconception. This is the best, I should become that. No, it's not an intellectual thing, for sure. It is Krishna has revealed that. We discussed in the previous classes, Shraddha to Prema. In the Bhava stage, it is revealed. But one has to attain the Bhava stage. But at the age of 70 also, I'm at another Nivritti stage. Then if you are really serious, you'll be worried. But thing is, at least you're Krishna conscious. And you'll have an idea, we'll have an idea, Krishna will protect me. So how do we develop? So we need to attain these forms. Rupa Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami is telling every day, not just Radha and Krishna. Sometimes people think we want to serve Guru only. No. I told you, right, we want the best. So we look for the best. That is wrong. Actually, bhakti as Vaishnavism means the lowest. Prabhupada was asked in airport in Hong Kong, so are you God? Prabhupada said, no, I am servant of God. Then Prabhupada came to the, from airport, he came, Burj and Prabhupada drove him. And Prabhupada said, these reporters cannot understand, that's why I told them servant of God. But servant of God is very high stage. In Mathura Ras already there are people fixed up. In Vatsalya Ras already there are people, Krishna's parents are there. In Sakya Ras, Krishna's friends are there. In Vatsalya Ras, Krishna's parents are there. That positions are fixed up. Bhakti means a servant of servant. servant. And our Rasikabhu told a wonderful point on Balram Jayanti day. Raghunath Das Goswami, after writing all this, is Prayojanacharya. Radharani is coming and holding a veil on him. She was taking her veil and took, she was covering, Radharani was covering his head to protect him from heat. But what is he telling? Now I got direct connection with Radharani. I don't care anybody. No, he's telling, when will the day come? I'll sit at the feet of my Guru Maharaj. I'll sit at the feet of Roop and Sanak. So, what should be our aim? The Prayojanacharya is telling, when will the day come? I'll sit at the feet of my Guru. Guru! This is not like materialism, right? Once you get the promotion, your friends, both friends are software consultants, suddenly one friend becomes a team lead or a manager. Then he'll stop talking to him because there's a position difference. That's materialistic. Hare Krishna. Yeah, maybe in the office it can be. But once you come out, once you come out, no devotees. That's why they have given up Tyaktva Turnamasesha Mandalapatti. But of course in Vaishnavism also we have hierarchy. So that, and to run the show, honestly speaking, that's only to run the show. But internally, we should try. At least I am everyone's servant. It's not possible. One lecture I had, Radhana Swami said, in a family, father may correct the child. In India, they adopt different methods. No, America, it's not possible. But father should think he's servant of the child. If father thinks, I'm the servant of the mother, and mother thinks servant of the father, and the children think we are servants of both. Wow, that is Vrindavan, as simple as that. So, how do we? So, Raghunath Das Goswami says every day we should remember Sarvadhara Goswami, Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami. How? I mean, if we apply, carry forward, we should remember Srila Prabhupada, our spiritual master, senior devotees who have helped us come to Krishna consciousness every day, before our chanting or after our chanting. Then what happens? We make progress. How do we remember Sarvadhara Goswami? When Sarvadhara Goswami would sing, remember their, remember their qualities, remember their pastimes. Sarvadhara Goswami was a sannyasi. When Lord Chaitanya, as well as Lord Chaitanya took sannyas, he was actually associated with Lord Chaitanya, friend of Lord Chaitanya. When Lord Chaitanya took sannyas, he was baffled. And he also went and took sannyas. But when he came to know Lord Chaitanya, came to Jagannath Puri, he came. And the only person who knew the heart, and the person who was very close to Lord Chaitanya is Sarvadhara Goswami. And knowing the heart, that's why when Lord Chaitanya Radhyatra, Lord Chaitanya was singing that song, Munde, that you are that, you have stolen my heart in my youthful days, and something like a mundane song Lord Chaitanya was singing. But nobody misunderstood because this is Lord Chaitanya. Everyone knew Krishna, he is Krishna himself. Sarvadhara Goswami understood. He knew. The second one, when 1 year Rupa Goswami came, and we were discussing, right? Rupa Goswami, as soon as he heard, and he wrote a poem. So, the one person who knew the heart of Lord Chaitanya, this is Krishna. Yes, Sarvadhara Goswami. That song, that verse, Radha Krishna Pranayagritara Akladini Shaktira Smat. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna, and it was written by Sarvadhara Goswami actually. And Sarvadhara Goswami diary, after he departed, Raghunath Das Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami had it. And of course he had his own diary also. And these both two, he came and he would give the lectures on the bank of Radhakund. So one time, and based on the moods, especially in the nights, Lord Chaitanya came to experience Radhabhav, right? So in the nights he would experience that. And that intense separation. In the Madanatya Mahabhava Radharani, Based on his mood, he would sing from Vidyapati, Chandidas, and Velamangal Das Thakur, Krishna Karnamrita, just to pacify him. You know, sometimes Lord Chaitanya is Antilila, amazing. And actually, there is nothing higher than Gaudiya Vaishnavism. There is nothing higher than Chaitanya Charitamrita. Lord Chaitanya would, that separation from Krishna, he would scratch his face against the walls of Gambhira. Where is Krishna? Where is Krishna? That intensity, where is Krishna? Wow. Then on one hand, Ramananda Rai, another hand is Swarup Lalita Sakhi, Visakha Sakhi. Wow. So one time Lord Chaitanya was dancing. Lord Chaitanya would dance, there's a kirtan, Beda kirtan. So Beda kirtan in Oriya, Beda means jumping. Lord Chaitanya would jump 14 feet. It's a picturesque sight to look at. And one time he was jumping, suddenly as he was jumping, dancing, Sarudamar was singing. Suddenly Lord Chaitanya jumped and he fell in the well. Hare Krishna. He fell in a well. So devotees, they were, he fell in the well. What if there was no water? And what if there is water? But Raghunath and Sarudamar Goswami singing had that type of power. When devotees all ran in haste to the well, what did they see? The well was filled with foam and Lord Chaitanya was floating on the foam. Wow. Nothing has happened. Amazing. So he knew the heart. That is Sarudamar Goswami. And when we recollect their pastimes, what is that? One lecture, actually one festival of inspiration, His Holiness was giving lecture. And he said, if you read, what is that? Your full absorption, Ambarish Maharaj story, 9th canto Srimad Bhagavatam, with intention, attention and absorption, Maharaj said, you will be associating with Ambarish Maharaj. So likewise, when we recollect Sarudamar Goswami, and our Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, and when we recollect their pastimes in our mind, it means based on Maharaj words, we are actually associating. So that day, I forgot his Maharaj name actually. He was telling, Maharaj was explaining about this Gaur Leela, Rath Yatra, and suddenly, what is his name? The Maharaj who lives in Florida, very old. Anyway, this Maharaj said, Haribol! Amazing! Wonderful description. So, then Radhana Swami said, Maharaj, you are listening with that much absorption, you're drowned in that Leela. Means Maharaj, that time you were there in Krishna, Gaur Leela. So that day all the audience clapped, What is, I forgot his name. And Prabhupada's disciple who lives in Florida. Anyway, so when we recollect, when we say Rupa Goswami, Vrindadevi appeared to Rupa Goswami. Our Tulsi Maharani, she appeared to Rupa Goswami. And she said, that Vrindadevi deity was installed by Rupa Goswami. And when Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Daite Gokula Taruni Mandala Mohid, it was written by Rupa Goswami. And Rupa Goswami, he was writing. And one day festival came and he thought of, my brother, Rupa Goswami considered Sanatana Goswami as his guru. I don't have anything to give. Immediately Radharani came. Radharani came and gave ingredients. For sweet rice, I'm just cutting this. Actually, these are nectarine pastimes. I'm cutting it short only to tell the principle. Only to tell the principle. That when we recollect these pastimes, when we discuss these pastimes, that is the next verse actually. You know, what is the next verse? I'll connect. I'll bring them back. I'll bring it back. So, Prajalpa. Prajalpa. So Prajalpa, Raghunath Das Goswami says she is a Vesya, prostitute, stealing, Asadvarta Vesya, Visrija Mati, Sarmasva Harani. So Prajalpa, election. We will talk about elections. Cricket match. First 50 hours, how sometimes I would recollect how we wasted the time. It's Vesya, it's a prostitute. How she would steal this bhakti from our heart. Even criticism for that aspect. You know, so nowadays, what is that karuna? Yeah, when we don't read Bhagavatam, when we don't read scriptures, when our heart is not overflowing with Krishna Katha, naturally we'll talk about karuna only. Yeah, my next door neighbor. You know that neighbor, you know that person, you know that relative. Haribol ho gaya. Ayo. You know, in my state also like that only. So you share from your side or American Kahani story, American Karana story. They will share from India, their side Indian story. Then now the election. How would I agree? You know, if we call every day, there is nothing to speak. Do you agree? I don't think anybody. I think you're all clear about it. Yeah.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
You know, I mean, there is definitely nothing wrong talking to parents and relatives. I mean, talking to parents. But Asadvarta, abandon the prostitute of mundane talks. Now, I mean, we'll discuss this actually this next week. You know, it's very extensive topic. So my point is, no, how to avoid that? How to avoid that? Talk about Rupa Goswami. Do you know Rupa Goswami? You know what is that? Vrindadevi appeared. Vrindadevi deity was installed by Rupa Goswami. Do you know? You know Sanatana Goswami when he came and when he read that, read the poem description of Radharani hair. You know, he said, no, this you're describing Radharani's hair, comparing it with like a black snake. That's not good. Then Rupa Goswami said, all right, I'll correct it. Then what? Then Sanatana Goswami leaves. Suddenly he comes across a group of young girls. They're all playing. So, but suddenly he sees one young girl. On her back there was actually a black snake, cobra. In the Sanatana Goswami said, there is a cobra on your back. It will bite you. So he was in anxiety. But they were all running, playing. And this cobra is going back and forth. Sanatana Goswami is in anxiety. Suddenly that young girl and looked at him. It disappeared. And he understood, wow, they're all copies and this is Radharani. Then he came back and said, no, your description of the hair of Radharani is perfect. Leave it like that, don't change it. So the more and more we talk about them, then the more and more Prajalpa, the propensity for Prajalpa goes down. When Saraswati Thakur started a magazine, he started a newspaper. Everybody came and said, you start a newspaper. You know, you will run out of news because Chaitanya Charitamrita, Bhagavatam and Chaitanya and Bhagavad Gita, that's it. Saraswati Thakur said, Supreme Lord has he's Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka. He's the owner of unlimited number of crores of universes. There's so much news happening. In Calcutta itself, there are so many newspapers. You all agree, right? I don't know how many of you agree. You know, childhood newspaper would come and every family is big, right? I don't know about you all, but in our family, you will take one sheet. They will take one sheet. They will take one sheet. But unfortunately, you cannot make it two. You'll wait. You'll wait in the line. Krishna. You'll wait in the line. Whatever, if tea or coffee or milk, whatever you'll hold. Honestly speaking, can you recollect 2 days ago news? Can you recollect 2 days ago news? And most of the news is actually very sad news. I went to India in last December. January. This January only, I'm sorry. Last December, but that time I went once to home. It was a newspaper was there. I'm also a victim of this, not that I'm telling. It was lying on the table, I just picked it up. Because once you go home, don't have anything, what is that? So you're there to spend time with your family. And read. I saw that. They will also write to attract your attention. I read it. I'm honest with you. This is almost 1 year now. I cannot forget. And every time I think of it, it crush my heart. It's headlines. Actually, when I heard Corona, this pestilence came proper, it's very good. It's Krishna's arrangement to curb the curb the wrong things. So sad news. Actually, I chanted that day for the departed soul. Actually, so when we don't develop taste for reading Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita, or when we actually how sweet Sanatana Goswami walking through the pastures. Suddenly he sees with young girls playing. When somebody is 12 years, 13, 14, they don't know anything. Oh, this is Radharani, of course. These are gopis, this is transcendental. Wow. Then the sweet rice they started eating together. And the first bite when he had, his mind exploded. Sanatana Goswami said, who gave it ingredients? And he said, oh no. I'm finishing it actually now, but I want to tell this. Can we change this class to Sunday morning 9:30? Saturday is becoming a little difficult for me. So that is my request. If you all agree, let me know. That way it becomes a little easy for me on Sunday. But anyway, coming back. What is that? His mind exploded. His tears were cascading from his eyes, pouring from his eyes. Who gave you this? And I want to tell you this one point. Please listen very, very carefully. In my childhood, I would read so many Krishna stories from Pandharpur, Vitthal, and I loved. I've decided to stay. One day I'll stay in Pandharpur. I'll move out there. Of course, I never went, surprisingly. Because what happens, all these devotees, Krishna would become their servant. Krishna would become their servant. They'll come in, he'll disguise himself as a servant and he'll start serving. Suddenly some devotees will go to the temple, they see the deity, and then just by seeing the deity, they'll understand, oh, there is no Krishna here. Krishna left the deity. Krishna is somewhere. He's not present here. Then they start searching every home. Then they'll come to know, they'll spot Krishna is present in his home. Or Kumar, or Ekanath, whatever, Then they would go there. When they would go there, Krishna, like when police come, thief would run away, right? Krishna would disappear. And they would all glorify the devotee. Oh, you're amazing, amazing. These are nectarine stories. Wow, amazing. So there is Chokamela, there is actually Gaur Kumbhara, whether it is Ekanath, Arjanabai, so many, these wonderful stories. Then with that consciousness, one day I was reading the story of Raghunath Das Goswami. Raghunath Das Goswami in bank of Radhakund. He was doing chanting Hare Krishna mantra. On the same side, two tigers came to drink the water. And there were the tigers very close to Raghunath Das Goswami. Krishna, being concerned with the safety of Raghunath Das Goswami, Krishna appeared from other side of Radhakund. But Raghunath Das Goswami is totally oblivious to the surroundings because he was absorbed. He was in deep samadhi chanting Hare Krishna mantra. Sanatana Goswami came. He saw Krishna with anxiety watching. He saw Raghunath Das Goswami fully absorbed in chanting the holy name. And, and he saw the tigers drinking water. Wow. I read up to this. The page was over and I was turning the page. I was thinking, because of my past experience of reading these stories, these Pandharpur stories, I thought now Sanatana Goswami would come and glorify. Hare, wow, Raghunath Das Goswami, life is yours. Krishna himself came for your for your protection. I thought he would glorify like that. When I turned page and started reading, so eventually the tigers left. So Krishna made sure, Raghunath Das Goswami was safe. Krishna left. Then Sanatana Goswami went to Raghunath Das Goswami and said, Raghunath Das Goswami, we are servants of Krishna. We don't take service from Krishna. What is that you are doing? How many times I told you? I told you to have a hut, a residence, but you are not listening. Today what happened? You are just, you're outside exposed. And tigers came, Krishna came in anxiety. You are giving service to Krishna. You are putting Krishna in anxiety. We are servants of Krishna. We don't take service from Krishna. We don't put Krishna in anxiety. Please have a hut. I said, wow, this is another level of bhakti. I'm not comparing. I should not do that. But at least, this I never heard in my life. Wow, these bhaktis are, what is that? Definitely much higher. Amazing. So then what, either we are Krishna conscious or we are Maya conscious. Initially we perform Krishna activity, but slowly, eventually, we may not be there yet, but we should be Krishna conscious. What does Krishna think of this? So when we pick up like this, when we every day remember Swarupadhana Goswami, Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, and Raghunath Das Goswami, of course. Not just Radha and Krishna, not just Lord Chaitanya. So actually last week our Mahipal Prabhu asked, so you are telling servant of servants, so I should not meditate on Krishna, Radha and Krishna? Definitely, and I told him, Prabhuji, definitely not. Because you are a spirit soul, we have a direct relationship with Krishna. We are part and parcel of Krishna, we have a relationship with Krishna. You can do. Actually, eventually your Ishtadev will be revealed. Naveen Nirath Prabhu said this in the number one book distributor. Last year I met him in Mayapur. This year I met him in Mayapur. So I met Bhurijan Prabhu. Bhurijan Prabhu asked, how old are you? He said, I'm 50. 50? Who is your Ishtadev? Lord Chaitanya? You want to worship Radha? No, because Vrindavan, Gola Vrindavan has two compartments. Gaur Maharaj says this. One compartment, Radha Krishna Leela is going on. Another compartment, Gaur Leela is going on. Lord Chaitanya, Krishna himself, he is actually, as a devotee, he is raising arms up in the air with his devotees. He is performing this Sankirtan. That's another compartment in the same Gola Vrindavan. So the people who are attracted to Lord Chaitanya and his activities, they will go to this compartment. People who are attracted to Radha Krishna, they will go to this compartment. So you can have that. You can have them as your Ishtadev. It's up to you, or your choice. I mean, it has nothing to do with Swarupa, let me tell you. So here is Ishtadev, that's fine. So you can be very intimate, because that is our, we are not like, we don't have on reverence. There is no on reverence. That is Vaikuntha Bhakti. Vrindavan Bhakti means what? Mathurya. It's prema. Yashoda doesn't treat Krishna as God. Krishna's friends, they don't treat Krishna as God. Very intimate. That is our bhakti. Right? So we can have our own Ishtadev. and we can worship them, but always through Guru. We should remember what should be our aspiration? Like Prahlad Maharaj aspiration. When will the day come? I'll sit at the feet of Narada Muni in my association. When in the association of my Guru Maharaj Narada Muni, my Lord, I'll serve you. Narsingh Swami is in front of him. Narada Muni was not there, but he's telling, when will the day come? In the association of my Guru Maharaj, I'll serve you. Because of gratitude. Narada Muni is the one who brought him to Krishna consciousness, right? So, we'll end it here today. And please, once again, majority whatever I had, just I'm repeating it. I don't have a realization, nor do I have any qualification. So thank you very much. Very grateful for your patient audience. And if you all agree, we can change it to Sunday 9:30. Is it possible? It becomes little easy because today I'm continuous. I'm today Sunday. I'm Saturday. I'm more occupied. Actually, is that okay?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhu. Okay with me, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji, it's okay.
Yes, please, Prabhuji.
Okay, so then, those who cannot, please excuse me. Probably eventually, my listening speaks big tight. I also have little health issues. But it's a Sunday, little easier. My request. My
Yes,
humblest.
Prabhuji, Sunday is fine for everyone, Prabhuji.
Okay, so we'll change it to Sunday, but my humblest wishes to all of you. So thank you very much. Because you're coming and listening, there is little service. I'm getting some service of sharing Krishna Katha with you. But I don't have any realization. Still a conditioned soul, trying to practice Vaidhi Bhakti. But at least I understood there is the level is very high. But one day, one lifetime, we have to go there. I have to go there. Thank you. Dandavad, Srila Prabhupada.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Dandavat pranam,
Thank you so
Prabhuji.
much.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Dandavat
Thank you,
pranam.
Prabhuji.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Thank you
Hare
so
Krishna.
much.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare
Thank you,
Krishna.
Prabhuji.
Hare
Dandavat
Krishna.
pranam. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Dandavat pranam. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hari Bol, Kuch Dandavad, Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.